Okay, you can see we have our Christmas elf done. The eyes are wood dowels, painted. Hi there! The dress is handmade. The hands are carved of wood. The back is cut out so you can get your hand in. You don't have to go up underneath. The clothes are all handmade. So she is ready to go. You unhook the rubber band from the back. You can take the head out. Has a ring lever, so you could use either hand, finger or thumb, whichever you prefer. So she is finished and looking for a new home. So if you're interested, contact me on my Facebook page. Thank you.